It's story time! It's story time! I'm so excited all of my friends are here. Story time is one of my favorite things to do. I love hearing all of the new stories. I wonder what story we're going to read today. Let's find out.
Let's get started, friends. Today we are reading Chicka Chicka Booom Boom, written by Bill Martin Jr. and John Archambault. Illustrated by Lois Ehlert.
Wiggle!
Giggle!
Play!
A told B, and B told C. I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. Whee! Said D to E, F, G. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. And I and J and tag along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom. Will there be enough room? Look who's coming. LMNOP. And QRS and TUV. Still more. W and XYZ. The whole alphabet up the... Oh no! Chicka chicka boom boom. Skit scat scoodle doot flip flop flee. Everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears, then dust their pants. Help us up, cried ABC. Next from the pile-up, Skinny D and Stub-Toed E and Patched Up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped. N is stooped. O is twisted alley-oop. Skit, scat, scoodle, doot. Flip, flop, flee. Look who's coming. It's black-eyed P. QRS and loose tooth T. Then UVW, wiggle jiggle free. Last to come, XYZ. And the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But chicka chicka boom boom. Look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka boom boom.
Let's sing the alphabet together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you read with me? Thanks for joining us for story time, friends. That was so much fun. See you next time.